Hello friends. Welcome back to Brainsprouts by Robbie, the channel where we make math simple and fun. Today, we are going to learn something very important. Multiplication times tables from 1 to 12. Multiplication helps us count faster. Instead of adding again and again, we can just multiply. By the end of this lesson, you will know all the times tables and be ready to practice on your own. Before we start, I want to ask you Brainsprouts, what is multiplication? Pause and tell me the answer before I say it. Multiplication means adding the same number many times. For example, 2 times 4 means we add 2 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. So multiplication is just a quick way of adding. Now, let's learn the tables, one after another, with tricks to remember them. Now let us start learning the times tables 1 to 12. Anytime 1 multiplies another number, the outcome or answer is the number multiplied by 1. For example, 1 times 7 equals 7 because 7 is multiplying 1 and the answer will always be the other number multiplying 1, which is 7. Here's the 1 times table. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 1 times 11 equals 11. 1 times 12 equals 12. See. Easy. 2 times table. The 2 times table is like doubling. That means having another one the same as the original. For example, you have a pizza and they gave you another one the same, that is double of what you had. Here's the 2 times table. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 11 equals 22. 2 times 12 equals 24. Dash dash dash. 3 times table. Skip count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12. This means you have triple of a thing. Here's the 3 times table. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 times 11 equals 33. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times table. Think of doubling, then doubling again. Here's the 4 times table. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 12 equals 48. To be continued, Brainsprouts. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you won't miss the next adventure.